Hey guys, Catherine Arensberg here. I have this giant box here today because I wanted to tell you guys every bit of information that I know about Kelvin temperature, because it's something that I'm ridiculously passionate about, and I say ridiculously because most people don't even care one whit about it, but I want to make you care about it. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. Every lamp that you buy, of course you have to buy a light bulb, or if it's LED, it comes with light bulbs already installed, and each one of those light bulbs has a Kelvin temperature. And what that is, I'm sure there's some scientific meaning behind it, but in general, when you look at it, is the warmth and the color of the light bulb that you see. And so Kelvin temperatures range, in general, the ones that you can find in the store range from about 2,000, 2,500 kelvins all the way up to about 8,000 kelvins. And that light, if you can imagine it on a chart, at the very low end is a very orange light, and on the high end is very blue light. And so my perfect number is 2,700K. So if you look at this box, each box of a light fixture that you purchase, of a light bulb that you purchase, you will see Kelvin temperature. You'll see the gradient of light, and you'll see a number. It'll have a K behind it. This one, if I can find it, here it is. The Kelvin temperature, you can see here's the chart, and this marks what color it is on that chart. So this one is a little over 3,000 kelvins, which is not my ideal. I really like it a little warmer, as 2,700, which is as low as this particular chart goes. But I will deal with it. It'll be all right. But in general, if you go on Amazon and you're looking for light bulbs, wherever you go that you're looking for light bulbs, just make sure that you are getting the temperature that works for you and that you like. And overall, in general, in my house, I like to make sure that all of my light bulbs match. So don't just go to the hardware store and just pick up whatever bulb. Make sure that all the bulbs that you're getting are the same, so that your house will cast the exact same light from room to room. In my opinion, it's super important to make sure that you're generally not having daylight in one room and you're having super soft glow in another room. So just keep an eye on that. Again, my favorite number is 2,700, and if you're shopping on Amazon, it'll be in the description area. Just make sure to keep your eye out for it. Here's the chart. Daylight, soft glow. All right, you guys get out there, pay attention to your Kelvin number, choose whichever Kelvin is best for you, and then make sure that you are bringing it from one area of your house all the way through, even to the exterior of your house.